Today, I will introduce Zurich, Switzerland, known to be one of the best cities to live in. Zurich is such a small city that you can tour it all in just half a day. Most travelers take the train when traveling around Switzerland. Therefore, we highly recommend that you start your journey at Zurich Central Station, which is also the largest station in Switzerland. Right when you exit Zurich Central Station, you'll find Bahnhof Square. Bahnhof Square is at the start of Bahnhof Street, which is the busiest street in Zurich. We will walk around 20 minutes from here through Zurich's largest shopping street to Lake Zurich. Although the capital of Switzerland is Bern, Zurich is often mistaken as the capital because it was and still is the center of commerce. Zurich was the heart of transportation among its neighbors, Italy, France, and Germany since the Middle Ages, and therefore uses a mix of languages between German, French, and Italian depending on the region. Let's walk along the Limmat River, which becomes Zurich Lake. Limmat River is composed of melted glaciers, which results in naturally beautiful green, blue, and sparkly colors. While other big cities in Switzerland, like Interlaken and Lucerne, are very fairy tale-like, Zurich's Limmat River encompasses both urban and natural beauty, making this destination a unique visit. If you continue to climb a few hills along this road, you will find Lindenhoff, the observatory where you can enjoy the wide-angle view of the old city. Because Lindenhoff has small hills, you can find many children and families running around and enjoying the panoramic view of Zurich during the day. This is a great spot for tourists to take a break and relax while enjoying the scenery of Zurich. Lindenhoff probably has one of the best panoramic views, and we highly recommend that you visit. The twin towers on the right are the Grossmünster Church, which we will visit later on, and on the left is the Zurich Federal Institute of Technology, which has produced a vast number of 30 Nobel Prize winners, including Einstein. Our next destination is St. Peter's Church. St. Peter's Church has the largest church clock in Europe, which is 8.7 meters in diameter. Unlike other churches in the bustling center, the Church of St. Peter in Zurich is located in a quiet alley. It is not as big or as colorful as the other churches, but we highly recommend seeing the big clock in person. Now we're walking along Bahnhof Street, and it's a good place for shopping and eating since the street is full of high-end shops and restaurants. Trams are the most convenient means of transportation in downtown Zurich. As a country known for its watches, you will also find many high-end watch brand shops here. The building you see over there is Fraumünster Cathedral. There are two famous cathedrals in Zurich. One is the Fraumünster Cathedral and the other is the Grossmünster Church from before, which we will show you momentarily. These two cathedrals face each other with Lake Zurich flowing in between them. The Zurich City Hall is located right next to the Fraumünster Church, and sometimes outdoor markets are held in the small square in front of it. The Fraumünster Church is famous for Marc Chagall's stained glass interior decoration. It is also known for Paul Bodmer's fresco painting of the monastery's establishment in the corridor surrounding the courtyard. This is a view of the Grossmünster Church from Fraumünster Church. The best part of Zurich is the city views always being surrounded by the beautiful Limmat River. And finally, this is the Grossmünster Church, built in the 12th century. It's a Romanesque church with iconic twin towers, which can be seen from most spots across the Limmat River. Here's another view of the twin towers we saw in Lindenhoff a moment ago. The view of Zurich from the observatory at the top of this church tower is absolutely breathtaking, and we recommend you to pay a visit to the top. The interior of the church is subtle with few decorations. Let's now follow the Limmat River to our last destination, Lake Zurich. You can see a modern-style tram crossing the bridge over there. If you walk along the lake, you can see people enjoying the afternoon sun. Zurich is quite an expensive city, so buying sandwiches at a large supermarket and having a picnic near Lindenhoff or the lake is a good way to save travel expenses while touring Zurich. Lake Zurich is wide enough to make you wonder if it's an ocean, and you will come across a variety of birds here, including seagulls, swans, sparrows, and pigeons. That ends our tour in Zurich, Switzerland, a city full of nature and modern twists. We hope that you will have a chance to visit someday.